From Accelerated Reader. Today I'll be reading When It Rains, It Rains by Bill Martin Jr. When it rains, it rains. When it snows, it snows. When it fogs, it fogs. When it blows, it blows. When it's hot, it's hot. When it's cold, it's cold. When you're young, you're young. When you're old, you're old. When I'm merry, I'm merry. When I'm sad, I'm sad. When I'm good, I'm good. But when I'm bad, I'm perfectly horrible. The end. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what books you'd like for me to read next. As always, thank you for listening.